Our existence mostly depends on how we are born and brought up in this world. It also depends on time and space where we grow up mostly. But do you know that you have the power, the inner strength, and the ability to change all this? Yes, you can shape your own destiny with the power of positive manifestation. You can outnumber any adversity or people who are pulling you back with the help of positive mindset and right attitude. And the good news is you can have this both quality by seeking the path of manifestation. Also remember, if you will watch your thoughts, they will become your words. Watch your words, they will become your actions. Watch your actions, they become your character. And watch your character, it's become your destiny. Follow these powerful words to turn your thoughts into gold. Rewire how you look at world. Stop seeing everything as a challenge in your life. Instead, see it an opportunity that is lingering at your doorstep. And see, you will start feeling the power of manifestation within you. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires and intentions into reality through focused thought and action. It is based on the law of attraction, which is the belief that like attracts like, meaning that the energy you put onto the universe through your thoughts, emotions, and actions will be mirrored back to you in the form of corresponding experiences and circumstances. According to the law of attraction, the more you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, the more experience, positive experiences and opportunities you will attract into your life. Similarly, negative thoughts and emotions can attract negative experiences and situations. Therefore, the key to successful manifestation is to maintain a positive mindset and take inspired action towards your goals. Remember, your commitment increases your level of energy. Your energy increases your level of action. Your actions increase your level of success. And your success increase your level of commitment. Achieving this full circle in your life can ultimately level up your game. And for this, aligning your thoughts and feelings with your desires is crucial for successful manifestation, because the law of attraction is based on principle of energetic resonance. This means that the energy you emit through your thoughts, emotions, and actions is what determines the types of experiences and circumstances you attract into your life. If you have a strong desire for something, but your thoughts and emotions are filled with doubt, fear, or negativity, you can create a conflicting energy that can block the manifestation of your desire. On the other hand, if you align your thoughts and feelings with your desires and focus on positive emotions such as joy, gratitude, and excitement, you are emitting a high frequency energy that is alignment with your desire and can attract them into your reality. Therefore, it is important to pay attention to your thoughts and emotions and actively work on aligning them with your desires. There are many different techniques that can be used to facilitate the manifestation process, such as visualization, affirmations, gratitude, and taking action. Visualization involves creating a mental image of the desired outcome and experiencing it as if it has really and already happened. Do you know that Jim Carrey, before he became a famous actor, Jim Carrey wrote himself a check for $10 million and dated it for Thanksgiving 1995. He would carry the check in his wallet and visualize himself receiving it every day. In November 1995, Carrey was paid $10 million for his role in the movie Dumb and Dumber. This technique can help to strengthen the belief and expectations of the desired outcome, which can increase the likelihood of it manifesting. Affirmation. Affirmations are positive statements that are repeated to oneself in order to reinforce a desired belief or outcome. By repeating affirmations regularly, you can shift your mindset and focus towards the positive aspects of your desires. Gratitude. It involves expressing appreciation for what you already have in your life. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you can attract more positive experiences and opportunities. Taking action. Taking inspired action towards your desire is a key component of manifestation. By taking simple and small steps towards your goals, you can increase your confidence and believe in the possibility of manifestation, which can in turn attract more opportunities and experiences that align with your desires. Remember these common mistakes to avoid when practicing manifestation, such as focusing on what you don't want, not being specific enough, lack of belief while manifestation, not taking action for the things which you desire, impatience, and negative self-talk. These pitfalls can really hamper your power of positive manifestation. Therefore, overcoming such stepping stones becomes indispensable while doing manifestation of the desired things. In the nutshell, the power of manifestation is a transformative tool that can help individuals attract the experiences and opportunities they desired in their life. By aligning their thoughts and feelings with their desire, individuals can overcome limiting beliefs and attract abundance and success in all areas of their lives. Remember, you have the power to shape your own destiny and manifest the life you desire. We hope you find this video informative, transformative, and helpful in learning about the concept of power of manifestation. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal growth and development. Thanks for watching.